All the birds are gathering around,
all the birds of feather,
hear them singing up above the ground,
whistling, chirping, making every sound.
Now the spring has finally arrived,
Greeting it together.
when they sing all nature seems to glow,
Shining bright with color,
white bird, blackbird, sparrow, dove and crow,
every bird is welcome to the show.
wishing us a happy new year.
And to one another.
How I wish just like the birds to be